Everyone chase the giant sushi! It's cat chasing you all! Oh my god! Go chase the giant sushi! You can have that as a wake-up thing set for you. Wow, look at the quality! What was that just now? Wow, look at that! This is so intense. Oh my gosh. Look at that! It's so cute. Look at Chibiusa doing a winky thing. Winky-usa. That is awesome. Hey, YouTube kittens! It's Cathy Cat! Welcome to the wintry season, guys! Ah! Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates it. Happy winter holidays to everyone else. And we're actually at a Christmas tradition for our channel because usually comes an item that I love to celebrate and introduce to you for Christmas from Divoom. If you watch my Twitch streams, you already know that I am very proud and very happy and I show off my Divoom family here. Over there, the light one is the Divoom 9. This one is the Ditoo. And this one is the Pixoo. Also, the karaoke here is the one I introduced most recently to you guys. This is the one with the little karaoke speaker. I love this one. So I'm facilitating the goodies really well. And guess what? New one's on the market and I wanted it for so long and it's here. This one here is the newest one and it already looks a lot bigger than the Pixoo Max. This is the Pixoo-64. Now, why I really wanted this is like, you can do so much more with this one here, pixel-wise. It's amazing. Let me show you guys. Woo! Baby! We have the description manual, which is significantly bigger than the last ones. The cable, which we will need. There's no more stuff to stick it to the wall. They used to have like suction pads for the smaller one. But I know why, because this one's way bigger. Damn, boy. Look at that. Ah! Okay, on the back of it, we have some things to keep holding it in place, so that's good. But there's a massive difference between the last devices and this one, which surprised me. This one is not just Bluetooth. This one's also just Wi-Fi. On button is here on the side, just like with the Pixoo Max. Hey! Waiting to configure! It's working! It's connected itself to my Wi-Fi and I'm already seeing the trailer clips and look how good they are! Look at how good the pictures are now! That's detail you couldn't get before. So these ones are the ones I actually selected for the season right now. They have like a huge library with like different clips and bits that you can pick. Some of them are like just colors and stuff, but some are like this! Wake up! You can have that as a wake up thing set for you. Wow, look at the quality! What was that just now? So yeah, you finally getting real different quality with your Pixel speaker. This is so epic. There's a lot of little animations that were too high quality before for the other two that I have. So I'm curious to set up here my own little thing. And then show you how that is gonna look. Wow, look at that! This is actually from the Pixel community. So the Pixel community will have come together and made something and made all of these happen. And oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm gonna play around with this and I'm gonna create my perfect little loop for you guys. So let's go. I set one thing up. For example, you can set up this little Shiba Inu clock that comes together with the weather. So I set it for Tokyo. And those little Shiba Inus are showing me right now. It's sunny with a little bit of cloudy on Tuesday. How cool is that? Oh, you can also set which picture options you want to have. Hey, there we go. If you're looking closer, it says today's date. It says even the temperature up here for Tokyo. And you can tell that the bar down here is actually an equalizer for music. And then there's the time. But I also found out one more thing. I was looking for the stand. And the stand is actually hidden here in the back. So you're supposed to pop this out of the back like that. Totally easy. Barely an inconvenience. And then you put that somewhere here in the back. You can finally stand and I don't have to hold in my arm anymore. Ha! We have the clock. There's many different interfaces. You can also circle through them down here. The next one is the hot channel. So this one goes through the most popular things that they have. There's also this one here is the channel for equalizer. You can set which equalizer you want. I wanted to have the dancing chicken because it's a dancing chicken. Looks like me today, kind of. Next one is things that you could set. So you have 3 different sets where you can assign a theme to it. So this one you can now personalize, which is what I will be doing. Because what is that? Yeah, that one's nice. That one's nice. But what was the thing before that? I'm gonna make my perfect collection and I'm gonna wow you in a moment. Alright, so I amended the Christmas one, so it's actually all the pictures in it are Christmas pictures that are a bit of a higher resolution, so we actually have like a change from the ones that we had before. You can see a difference already, but also I went over so this one is the scenery one, where there's a lot of the UK things. I love that little like backgrounds and stuff, which is kind of cute. And then so you can actually pick your favorite anime, manga, and if there's some artists who have created some art, or some people I think have uploaded some GIFs on there as well. It's actually a very good quality. I was trying to test and push how well it would go, so you can see the quality is varying depending on what images you pick. I picked the highest quality because I wanted to see how much it can do, and I'm actually really happily surprised with the results I got this time. So it kind of actually functions almost like a little TV screen. We're not quite there, but it still does have the pixel art fun, or the pixel fun, and then at the same time, look at that, it's so cute. Some of those are actually perfect. They really work so well with the pixel art, so I'm really happy to make that all function together at the same time. Look at that, yay bees. The amazing thing is this time you can actually set more than 12 things. I don't know if the sky is the limit, but there's a lot of different images you can circle through. I was just going through and testing different GIFs and images and seeing what would be nice to have here in the background. There's lots of more, and daily people upload more stuff. So for example, it does my favorite pixel artist. There's an artist called Asaha Pixel Art, and they were actually doing a collaboration with them before, and I found now why usually the Cloud channel plays their favorite things, but what you can set is that one of the channels circles through your favorite artist or your favorite artists. It would just randomly go through the pixel art that they have created, which I'm super excited about. They have made a whole exhibition here in Japan. They had several of these Divoom 64 all around on the walls, and then you could just like see how the art was coming together. Oh my gosh, there's so many improvements this time. This is gonna be my new companion here in the background of the stream, so it's probably gonna go right here. The one before is still good, the Max, but I thought there were so many situations when I wish and wanted the Divoom 64 so badly, because I mean, look at this cute quality. It's gonna look amazing. It is bigger. You get so much more to see. So I think the Divoom 64 is definitely the edition that I've wanted for so long, and I'm so glad I have it now. So that was our annual little Divoom update. I'm so glad they finally made this one here happen. I think there was a lot of people who wanted this to happen, and I'm so glad for the updates they have done. Thank you so much, Divoom. I am excited. I am so excited to have that in the background of my Twitch streams from now on. Yay! Currently they have a Christmas sale on in different countries, so be sure to check that one out. Thank you so much for joining my Divoom review. If you want to check out any of the other reviews I've done, they are right here. Be sure to check them out. And yeah, thank you so much. I'm excited. Bring on the Christmas season, guys. Bring on the Christmas season.